Tommy was a curious boy with short brown hair and bright eyes, full of adventure. One day, while exploring the dusty old attic of his house, he stumbled upon a glowing magical map hidden amongst mysterious artifacts. The map shimmered with a soft light, and as Tommy opened it, he saw it presented two distinct paths: Healthy Hill and Unhealthy Valley. Intrigued, Tommy decided to explore both paths. As he ventured towards Healthy Hill, the surroundings transformed into a vibrant paradise filled with lush greenery, vibrant flowers, and clear skies. Tommy found himself eating balanced meals, exercising in the fresh air, and sleeping soundly each night. With a bright smile, he ran up hills, played with friends, and basked in the warm sunshine, feeling energetic and happy. However, when Tommy decided to walk the path to Unhealthy Valley, the atmosphere quickly turned dark and dreary. Overgrown weeds choked the landscape, the skies were dim, and fast food signs littered the path. Here, Tommy indulged in junk food, spent hours glued to screens, and rarely got enough rest. He felt tired, sluggish, and unhappy, struggling to muster the energy for even the simplest activities. The contrast between the two paths was undeniable. In a split-screen scene, Tommy could be seen simultaneously on both paths. On the left, Healthy Hill was vibrant and lively, with Tommy energetic and full of joy. On the right, Unhealthy Valley was dull and exhausting, with Tommy drained and disheartened. Reflecting on his experiences, Tommy returned to the crossroads holding the magical map. With a newfound determination, he chose the path to Healthy Hill, understanding that it led to a better, happier life. The story concluded with Tommy confidently walking towards Healthy Hill, the sun shining brightly overhead, symbolizing his choice for a healthy and fulfilling future. The animation should vividly depict each scene with sharp details and vivid colors, engaging viewers visually. Smooth transitions between scenes and immersive sound effects, such as cheerful birdsong on Healthy Hill and eerie winds in Unhealthy Valley, will enhance the atmosphere. The final animation ought to be professionally edited for both YouTube and TikTok, with the TikTok version tailored for vertical viewing.